Hello everyone and welcome to this class. In this class we will be drawing this ornate peacock mandala in a very easy and step-by-step process. So without any delay, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the session, and in this class we will be drawing a peacock mandala. So I have started by drawing a circle of 3 centimeter, and I am not gonna complete it, okay? And after that I will be drawing the shape of a peacock, okay? So when we are drawing the peacock, we have to use a very light pencil and we have to draw with a very light hand. Don't put pressure on your patterns, just first observe, see, and then start making it. If you want, you can also slow down the video for as per your convenience, okay? So now we are going to draw floral petal leaf. Okay, we are going to create it on the edge of our circle that we have done before, and we are gonna draw it till the end, till peacock. Okay, what you can do is you can also draw your patterns with pencil first and then ink it later on, or you can directly ink the pattern on your page. I'm going to use 0.3 mm fine liner to draw the outline of our mandala. To add the details in our ornate mandala, I am going to use 0.1 mm fine liner because we want the details to be sharp and crisp. So once the outline is done, we will start adding the detail with 0.1 mm. So here we are going to create few leaves and then an parsley, and to add some ornamental stuff our mandala, we are creating these things. Adding delicate branches and leaves and swirls definitely add a distinctive ornamental charm to our mandala. Now we will start adding the details in the center of the circle that we have drawn, and I have drawn a swirl and I am drawing some basic U shapes, small U shapes on top of it, and little tiny circles on top of U shapes. Okay. And the next thing that I am drawing is straight lines, nothing typical or tough that you can't draw. These are simple straight lines that we are filling in the pattern. And after adding a layer of swirls and little circles, we are going to fill the remaining part with lines and dots repeatedly in a repeated manner. Now we are starting the detailing in the floral petals, and first we have to double outline it. After that we are gonna draw some black dots, uh, bigger, smaller, and some straight leaves to add more details to our petals. And adding small circles in the space that is left between the center and the petal part of our mandala. Now we are going to start adding details in the big parsley design that we have created, that is the midsection of the peacock. And I am drawing just simple U shapes and small circle in between top of the two U shapes, and we will repeat this pattern till the very end, where till the very end of the parsley. So we will fill these details with line and dot, and the small negative space that is left on top of the parsley, we are going to draw some lines and dots and some circles. To complete this section, I'm going to add lines and dots in the U shapes that we have drawn. Make sure to use 0.1 fine liner, fine liner to add the details, delicate details. So for leaves, I am taking the 0.3 fine liner to do the shading part. As you can see, I have started with the other half of the petal, and once we are done with this, then we will start from upwards to downwards. So to add some details in the parsley, first we will double outline it, and then we will create a check. And in this check where the two lines are intersecting, we are going to put a black dot on that, so it will create a henna pattern that we use in our henna designs to fill up this parsley design. So now this is the last section of our peacock, and we are going to I'm drawing the U shapes, and in the next line I'm drawing two swirls, and we are gonna repeat this pattern. And in the last part, we are going to draw some lines and dots to fill up the negative space that has been left in our peacock mandala. Now let's add some final details in our mandala, and once it is done, our peacock is complete. And I hope you guys like this session, and don't forget to upload your projects in the project section. And if you have any queries, please drop them in the comment box. I would love to help you out. And once again, thank you so much.